We out here in Vegas. Just got here, took a quick little shower. About to meet up with an old friend I haven't seen in years. I look high as fuck, but I'm not yet. Ooh, yes, I'm excited. It's been a while since I made a little GoPro video. Got my fucking setup all, ghetto rigged and shit. My poor little camera. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but the case is fucked. I got zip ties in this hoe. I can't find the little bottom piece, which I wanted to use like the handle. I'm sure it's in the bag somewhere, right? Oh! Why hello there.
Cream soda Fago down, still dreaming. They hate on me, I don't know the reason. Finna wake them all up, cause I know they sleeping. I'm wide awake, but shit, I'm still dreaming. Cream soda Fago down, still dreaming. They hate on me, I don't know the reason. Finna wake them all up.
Come here, Chris, let's take this. Yo, check this out. Alright, ready?
Let me tell you.
Grab that shit, Ben. Ben, get that shit. Say something to the people, Ben. Talk to the people.
So, I most of the time don't know what's happening.
Cause I know they sleeping, I'm wide awake, but shit, I'm still dreaming. I wanna whip them cars now. I'm thankful for these scars now. I wanna whip them cars now. I'm thankful for these scars now. Got the kids jumping like it's recess. I just spend the bands and I reset. Reset, reset. I just spend the bands and I reset, reset. Hey, you need to reassess. And I'm counting ends like a motherfucking mouse.
Just get one of those inflatable women. But make sure it's a woman, though. Because one time I...
Money counter. Yeah, this shit gon' count with or without her. Money counter. Yeah, this shit gon' count with or without her. Cream soda Fago down, still dreaming. They hate on me, I don't know the reason. Finna wake them all up, cause I know they sleeping. I'm wide awake, but shit, I'm still dreaming. Cream soda
Right now,
Fago
in the
down,
left
still
door.
dreaming.
It's luxurious.
Luxurious. Somehow, Larkin and Air came to Vegas.
Somehow we just popped up, guys. I have no idea how.
They just rolled through. We're here in Vegas, trying to have a good time. We're taking some heat pictures, guys. Just absolutely incredible.
Las Vegas is a very good place to take photos if you're wondering.
Very good. What's your take on Las Vegas so far?
It's very bright. I like it.
All right, there you have it. Very bright.
Very bright, guys.
Here we have Art in his natural habitat of photography. Let's peep, boys. Ooh, heat.
It's a little laggy.
Fuego, banger, model, Jungle Boy, Prada.
Oh,
He's still posing over there. Look at him. So we're here driving back home after our little trip to Vegas. I decided to drive back with the boys.
Let's go.
And we can't all really fit up here, so always wear your seatbelt. We get Air back here sleeping while holding the bottle of Sky. He's probably so hot.
I'm gonna stick his head out.
Stick your head out, G. It's a little bumpy, a little loud back here. But I am looking through the pics in the camera. And they are heat. Absolutely heat. There's some bangers that are gonna be coming out real soon. I wish I would have vlogged a little more out there, but like. What's up, guys? We're chilling in Winslow, Texas right now. Just chilling, not smoking drugs.
What's up, guys? Finally, we just have a minute to chill and relax. It's been a fucking journey.
I, for one, I'm glad I don't have to go back here.
So, I'm gonna call you Jackpot B. Nickel. Like Jack B. Nimble? Well, Ralph loved it. Shot milk out of his nose. And again, he also does that when he's sick.